You know what is silver cord? The connection between the physical body and the astral body. You know what is the golden cord? The connection between the astral body and the supracausal body. That is a golden cord. You can see with your third eye. The third eye comes only when you do meditation. What is third eye? Ajna chakra, Sudarshana chakra. Sudarshana chakra. You can see everything. But there is no energy. Talking unnecessarily, eating unnecessarily, sleeping unnecessarily, earning money unnecessarily, spending unnecessarily, listening unnecessarily, seeing unnecessarily. You lose energy. And Swamiji, I can't move my hand. I can't get up. I can't work. Body is not cooperating. You are not using the body properly, maintaining the body properly. You created the body, but you are not maintaining it properly. First of all, you must empty your mind. Second thing, you must be open-ended. You must be always willing to learn. I have read 100 and 1,000 books because I am always willing to learn. This is openness. This is closedness. This is emptiness. Earlier you had fullness. No, you become empty always. Meditation. Become open-minded. To be open-minded is to be scientific. To be open-minded is to be scientific.
Hi Masters, Patriji Vegetarian channel ನೋಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.